Probability. Probability is the chance of an event to occur. An event is any specific collection of outcomes from the sample space, the collection of all possible outcomes in an experiment, in a chance experiment. A chance experiment is any activity or situation in which there is uncertainty about which of multiple outcomes will occur. Probability is organized by binomial and geometric categories or settings. Binomial settings have characteristics such as every observation is either success or failure, has a fixed number of observations, all observations are independent, and the probability of success is consistent. Geometric setting is very similar, other than the fact that the variable of interest is the number of trials required to obtain the first success. A random variable is a numerical variable whose value depends on the outcome of a chance experiment. There are two types of random variables, discrete and continuous. A random variable is discrete if its set of possible values is a collection of isolated points along the number line. A random variable is continuous if its set of possible values includes an entire interval on the number line. Variance is defined as the average of the squared differences from the mean. Standard deviation is the square root of the variance. The law of large numbers, in the long run, is the relative frequency of repeated independent events that settle down to the true probability. Disjoint or mutually exclusive events are when two events have no common outcomes. The relative frequency approach to probability is represented as P of E equals number of times E occurs over number of times the experiment is performed. Conditional probability is represented by the formula of P of E given F equals P of E intersection F over P of F. The addition rule for mutually exclusive events is explained by the formula of P of E, or F, equals P of E union F equals P of E plus P of F. Or in other words, the probability that any of these mutually exclusive events occurs is the sum of the probabilities of the individual events. Multiplication rule for two independent events is understood in that events E and F are independent only if P of E intersection F equals P of E times P of F. Independent events are said to be independent if P of E given F equals P of E. Dependent events are dependent if P of E given F equals P of E, and vice versa. General addition rule for two events is represented as P of E union F, which equals P of E plus P of F minus P of E intersection F. General multiplication rule for two events is represented as P of E intersection F equals P of E given F times P of F. The law of total probability is explained as if B1 and B2 are mutually exclusive events, then for any event E, P of E equals P of E intersection B1 plus P of E intersection B2. Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams are used to compare events simultaneously. Where the two circles overlap is called an intersection, or P of A and B. The entire two circles, or when circle A or B occur, is a union. And mutually exclusive events do not overlap at all, keeping both circles separated entirely.